welcome back to my channel. I'm Sahana Kulkarni. So today in this video I'm going to show you the makeup look, which is you can apply for you can go with the bridal slash the wedding guest look. The bridal also can make this look, and also the wedding guest, two in one. I have just made it because this is so really like so glittery and glowy. Also you can go with the wedding guest, if you want to do it so extra, you're so extra, you can do it. If you're a wedding guest, if you're a bride, you can do it amazingly. Go with it. I'm gonna show you the makeup look, and you can go with it, and I'm gonna show the outfit also. This is the normal t-shirt I'm wearing. You can I will show show my outfit and what and all I'm wearing it. It is like a you can just say I have a skirt, silk skirt, and the short kurti which is black and gold mix. So you can so my outfit is like that. So according to my outfit I'm gonna do the makeup. You can go with your outfit, according to your outfit. If you're wearing a sari, you have to see the what and all the golden work, or rose gold work. Any work is, you can do it with the glitter top of your eyes, and rest you can do it with according to your outfit. So my outfit is black and green, and like you can say peacock color. It goes like a peacock. It has a two color changing. My skirt has that. So and I have my black color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna top of it for the this side here. This I'm gonna show you after remove my specs. So wait. So if this is my face, without makeup or without any skincare. So I will do here this, here you can see this side I'm gonna do the black, and rest of side I'm gonna do a peacock color, and top of it I'm gonna put on some gold shimmer, which is goes with amazing. I love my eye makeup more. My eye makeup will be highlighted more in this look. If you're not so extra, you can go with a simple nude makeup. You can go with simple nude makeup and a little bit of a chunky lipstick, or a nude lipstick, or any pink lipstick. So in this I'm gonna apply the nude pink lipstick by Nykaa, which is a shade name called Janvi. So you can go with it, and let's get started with the video. So for the toner, I washed my face and cleaned it. So now for the toner, I'm going to use this rose water. You can use any rose water. So because rose water is good for your skin, it cleans your or purify your blood cells. So it is good for you. If you're oily skin, or I think it goes with every skin type. So let's get started with the toning, and I'm gonna apply the oil because my skin is super dry here and flaky. So I'm gonna oil my face with the facial oil, which is the plum facial oil, which is with grapeseed, and yeah, this is a packaging look. So I'm gonna apply it, and I'll come back to you. Okay, done with the prepping. I'm gonna apply the primer, face primer for my face. You can use any gel based primer for you, because gel based is amazing. It gives your skin hydrating. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the makeup look I've created, and I'm gonna show my outfit in a second, in a few minutes. So this is the final look I've created, and a little bit of this the less volume I think, or more volume, the eye fake lashes. uh, this is really difficult to me to attach this on my eyes, because I don't have habit of attaching this, because I said you, this is the bridal look also, so you can create this look. If your lehenga or anything, or any sari is like in red color, you can create red smoky eyes, and little bit of the glitter on your eyes, which has a golden color. You can create it, and the highlighting part is amazing, so I really like it. This turned out really amazing. So you don't forget to contour your, if your forehead is bigger, you can contour your forehead. And my face is round and chubby, so I have the contoured, like you can see the this tip of your ears, and you can just contour like this side. You have to do this, I mean, do the oval shape, so you can create this like this. Or your face is like a diamond shape, of any shape, you can look it out in any tutorial how to contour it. You can go and contour that. And this is the outlook I have, outlook I have come out, and this is my outfit, so which look really amazing and cute. I have added a little bit of jewels on that. And yeah, so this is the final look I've created, and I'm gonna meet you in my next video. If you like this video, please to like it and share and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload my new video. You can add for your lips little bit of the chunk, the lip gloss or anything. So I don't I want my lips only the matte one. So the highlighting part is so highlighting, because you're going for a wedding and you're a bride. You can just create this beautiful look I've created. And I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. And this outfit, you will see in my Diwali vlog. You have seen my in my Diwali vlog intro. This is the beautiful outfit. The stitching, everything is fitting is really amazing, and I really like this kind of mismatching this look, like the Indo-Western style. You can create it, or you can create the lehenga also out of this. And I have to even I have to attend a wedding in this month, so I really wanted to create this kind of a look. So if you like this video, please do like and share, subscribe, also hit the bell notification. And stay healthy, stay happy, be a better version of yourself. Don't forget to keep yourself happy inside and out. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.